$50 bill. No? All right, we'll get your money back. Stand back up for me. Let me get a little bit easier though on Gizmo this time. Stand back up. Yep, this time 2 arms out. That's great. Now you flap really hard. Fly down here and get it. I'm just kidding. Just your right arm out, palm facing up. Just your right hand. There you go. He's going to take that back and place it back where you found it. Just grab it quickly. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Gizmo. Great job, buddy. Thank you. Your next volunteer. Gizmo, that was flawless. Oh, check it out. That's our stage hand. Now, birds like Gizmo are often seen in the movies, but the most common animal is the dog. You guys can see her next to her right now in the movie Merv. This is Gus. Hi, buddy. All right, come on down. Now, Gus is going to show you those movie dog behaviors he needed to know before he even got to go out on set. First thing I trained him was a mark, like him and actors are going to want to train or stand. They place it on our set, and he knows exactly where to go. I'll do some basic sit. You good? Lie down. On your feet. You okay? Back up. Speak. Sit. And then sit up. Very cute. That was our basics. Now, once he masters those, that's when he gets some of those fun behaviors. Where are we going? That's what I thought. Get your tail. Pick it up. Pick it up. Get it. Get it. Good boy, you got it. And you catch. Nice. Sit. Now he's excited. Sit. You already did that. Sit. Okay, show off. Sit. Stay. Jump. Whee! Or he's got to knock over a bad guy. Good job, buddy. Very good boy. Go get yourself into some puppy trouble. Get over there. Water those plants for me. Get in there. Yes. Get in there. Hike it. Stay. Good. Back on your mark. Stay. Last one in case he has to appear injured. Now this is a new one for him, and he actually makes it look really easy, but he's getting a little ahead of himself. So I'm going to break this behavior. No. Get back on your mark. Get on your mark. Stay. Keep. Stay. Good. I'm just going to ask him no. To pick up his foot, but stay. Good. Very nice. Good boy. Easily impressed you guys are. But stay. Easy. Stay. Stay. Good. Easy. There.